child suddenly develops a type of cancer such as leukemia or sickle cell disease, there's a procedure called cord blood banking that can potentially cure these two types of diseases, which is why parents should go through this procedure when they are having a baby. Today I will be talking to you about how relatively easy this procedure is and just how many benefits there are to this procedure than when there's a choice not to having the procedure. And like I said before, cord blood banking is a very simple procedure. The procedure only takes about 3 to 5 minutes. There's no incisions to the baby that needs to be made at all. It's taking right after the baby is born. So it's basically all done in one big shot. Now, let's look at how this procedure can save lives. Cord blood is a rich source of unique stem cells which are already used in all sorts of medical treatments. These stem cells copy each other and can become any other type of cell. So if one particular cell in a part of a body has cancer or is sick, these stem cells can be used and copied to replenish and make new ones that are healthy. Cord blood banking can potentially cure over 70 diseases such as heart disease, sickle cell disease, and leukemia. And cord blood banking is not just beneficial to the baby. It's virtually all mothers and about half of baby siblings will be able to be a suitable match for the cord blood banking. So if not even if your child comes down with a disease like heart disease or leukemia, it can be also used for a different child that may not have the cord blood banking procedure done to them. Stem cells can either be taken from the cord blood of a baby's umbilical cord or bone marrow. And the reasons why cord blood would be better than bone marrow is because research has shown that survival rates double when a person's own cord blood or a family member's cord blood is used compared to using an unknown person's bone marrow that you might not have ever met before. And having your own private sample makes a lot easier and an immediate use for it. Whereas if you didn't know somebody, it might take months to find a match for your child if they needed new blood. Now, despite all these wonderful reasons, there are two particular reasons why people don't choose to get this procedure done even though they know they should. And it's just because insurance doesn't cover it and the cost is too high. It usually costs about $2,000. But those are just the only two reasons why people don't like to get the procedure done, is because of the high cost and it not being insured. There are a lot more reasons to be in cord blood being beneficial than it not having the procedure done. So you should get the procedure done so you can potentially save your child's life, whereas if you hadn't gotten done and your child's life is in danger, you don't have to think back on what if I would have had it done.